Yeah, before Elise singing, his eyes was on the sparrow. Why should I feel discouraged? And why should a shadow come? And why should my heart feel so lonely and long? For if heaven is home, when Jesus is my portion, a constant friend is He. For the light is on the hill, and I know He watches me.